If you suffer from snoring or sleep apnea, take a listen to what patients are saying about the revolutionary Vivos system.
It has drastically changed my life. I don't have to use the CPAP anymore. I was able to breathe through both nostrils, something I couldn't do my entire life. Pretty much made me feel excited about life again.
She's sleeping better, I'm sleeping better.
You really feel like you've been given a new life.
Give us a call here at TMJ Sleep Center or visit us at tmjsleepcenter.com.